Let us try some examples on the Laplace transform. The questions asks us to determine the Laplace transform of these functions. Based on the principles of the Laplace transform, these functions can be done separately term by term. To determine the Laplace transform of each of the term here, you may refer to the Laplace transform formula table. The first term here, we need to do Laplace transform of 1. Referring to the formula table, Laplace transform of 1 is equals to 1 per s. That gives you 1 per s. To do Laplace transform of 2t, you may take out the constant 2 here, leaving inside Laplace transform of t. Refer to the table, Laplace transform of t will give you 1 per s square. With that, you have 1 per s square to be multiplied with the constant number 2. Next, you do Laplace transform of this. Take out 1 per 3. You are actually doing Laplace transform of t power of 4. Refers to the formula here. T power of 4, it will be 4 factorial divided by s power of 4 plus 1, which is s power of 5. That gives you this outcome. Solve the equations, you get your final solution. Let us try another example. You are asked to do Laplace transform of this, which can be expanded into the two terms here, which you can do Laplace transform separately. You may take out the constant number 5, leaving to you doing Laplace transform of e power of 2t. The formulas are given here. The a here is equals to 2. The Laplace transform will be 1 per s minus 2, which is this. Next, you do Laplace transform of this. Take out number 3 here as the constant. Refers to the table. The same equations is being referred. Now your a here is negative 1. Substitute negative 1 into the formula. You will get this. Rewrite the function here and merge the two fractions. Solve the function here. You will get the final answer here. Let us try this example. You are asked to do Laplace transform of this. Based on the principle of Laplace transform, you can do the transform in two separate terms. Constant 6 can be taken out and constant 4 can be taken out. Refers to the tables of formula for Laplace transform of sine and cos. The a for the sine is 3 and the a for the cos is 5. Substitute the relevant value into the formula. You will get your final answer. Now we want to do the Laplace transform for these functions, which can be solved separately. First, take out the constant number 2 and referring to the tables for the equations for the Laplace transform. From the table here, the formulas is given. Substitute the relevant value into the formulas, you get this. And multiply the 2 to the x, you get your final answer.